first run with someone else. Oh man.
Cicadas are out in full force. Dum, dum, dum.
Get the claws, because that's straight out of Dune. You don't got that man here.
See, I've been a bad man, and I'm in deep. Yeah, I found a brand new love.
Just finished the run. I lost my partner in crime though.
Here he comes. Right there. Woo!
Good morning. It's another weekend here in Tokyo. We actually just finished running and showered and now getting ready to go out. We're about to go visit a friend for the weekend, so we're going to take the bullet train for the first time. And I have my first visitor here in Tokyo, just getting back from the store. So we have a really fun-packed weekend, so here we go. Just got snacks and a gift, and now we're going to get cash and then on the train. Alright, so we got snacks, we got gifts, we got cash. Now we get on the train.
This looks like it's deep down here.
That's probably it. About to get on the bullet train. Waiting to get on. Made it to our destination, but we need to find something to do for an hour and a half till 4 o'clock. So we're gonna go explore for a little bit. Hopefully. Just found some shrines.
Well, how you like me now? How you like me now? How you like me now? Well, how you like me now? Remember the time.
We went to Okazaki for the weekend to visit friends in their beautiful home. We actually got to stay in a tatami room for the first time, which is great. And their nieces and nephews made sure that we got to experience all of their animals and insects that they had. And of course, extremely cute puppies. And no visit is complete without very adorable babies. So we had it all. And we were there to come see the fireworks. So we had a lot of food and great time. But about halfway through the show, we decided to do our own little fireworks show.
How you like me now? Well, how you like me now? Remember the time when I heat you up. You know, yeah, I was alive. Oh no, that you can't give up. You know the kind of line, right? Yeah. So if I was to choose, oh, now would you see right through me? Oh, if I sing a sad, 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 sad song, would you give it to me? Would you? So how you like me now? How you like me now? How you like me now? Well, how you like me now? How you like me now? How you like me now? Well, how you like me now?
Toward the end of the weekend, it was time to say goodbye, but not before having a really great breakfast, traditional breakfast for the area, and visiting a nearby castle where we arrived just in time to see a wedding procession. We just made it back from a really awesome weekend. I think we're about to go relax, shower a little bit, and then we have reservations for rotating sushi.
Rotating sushi.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we just got back from sushi. We definitely ate our fill of food, had a good time. There's no project update this week because this week I have a nonprofit and we just had our students in Boston this week. So most of my mornings and nights were spent making sure it ran smoothly and putting out fires. But if you want to see, you can check out our website. I'll put it somewhere in this vicinity. But all in all, had a really, really great weekend. Had a lot of fun. It was great seeing friends and spending time and staying in a traditional Japanese house. It was amazing. We really had a great time. And so, until next weekend, see you soon.
How you like me now? Well, how you like me now?
It's pretty tasty.
I first gotta work on getting it on the. Okay, that looks like it.
That make you want me, baby.
Let it break.
It don't taste bad. It just sounded so. Give you bad thoughts.
Nato lover? Are you a Nato lover?
Now nothing.